Hello everyone, welcome to Infinity. Just joking. Hello everyone, welcome to Infinity. Hello everyone, welcome to Infinity. So today I have Mi Band 6 with me, and this is the successor of Mi Band 5. And if you look at the box, black color के box में आता है, and 6 written over here, and Mi Band 6 का photo imprinted है. And if you look at the pricing here, it's written 3999, but इसका real pricing 3500 है. And if you have Mi Band 5 or the older version, you can get easily 500 off in that. I also have Mi Band 4 and Mi Band 5 with me, so I'll be comparing with them also. So stay tuned till the last. So without any further ado, let's start the unboxing. Let's keep the watch aside and see what else in the box. So I think we have the charger here. And ये मैग्नेटिक चार्जर के साथ आता है, जो कि हमें Mi Band 5 में भी देखने को मिला. एंड यस, दिस हैज़ दैट मैग्नेटिक चार्ज. सो आपको बैंड को स्ट्रैप से बाहर निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, उसी में ही चार्ज हो जाएगा ये. एंड वी हैव सम पेपर वर्क्स हियर. सो लेट्स लुक एट द वॉच नाउ. तो जो सबसे बड़ा चेंज है Mi Band 6 में, वो है इसका डिस्प्ले, जो कि 1.56 AMOLED डिस्प्ले के साथ आता है, एज़ कम्पेयर टू Mi Band 5 1.1 इंच डिस्प्ले. Well, display has the PPI of 326, and everything from text to animation, everything looks crispier and sharp. Comparing Mi Band 6 with Mi Band 5, if you look at the display here, Mi Band 5 का display squarish shape का है, and you can look at the bezels here easily. But Mi Band 6, as it has full screen display, so bezel visible नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, and it look immersive. Well, Mi Band 6 magnetic charging के साथ आता है, so you don't need to take out the band from the strap to charge it. आप डायरेक्टली स्ट्रैप में लगे ही Mi Band 6 को चार्ज कर सकते हैं, जस्ट लाइक Mi Band 5. वेल, अगर मैं इन हैंड फील की बात करूं तो Mi Band 6 काफ़ी हल्का है, एंड इट वेज अराउंड 24 ग्राम, and it can go up to 450 nits of brightness. The display is easily visible in the outdoor sunlight without any issue. Well, comparing Mi Band 4, 5 and 6 side by side, you can look at the display here and the size of the Mi Band. Well, जो strap है 4, 5, 6 सीरीज़ का, वो सेम है, उसमें कोई changes नहीं हुआ है. As I have told earlier that new SpO2 functionality feature has been added, जो कि basically oxygen level track करता है. And new fitness mode also has been added in Xiaomi Mi Band 6, like core training, Zumba, boxing, basketball, and there's a lot of other features that has been added in the fitness mode. Talking about the battery life, Mi Band 6 comes with the same 125 mAh of battery as Mi Band 5, but as we know कि screen size increase हुआ है and Xiaomi claims for 14 days of battery life, but in my usage I was getting around 9 to 10 days of regular usage. I need to charge the band again, and it took around 1 hour 40 minutes to charge the band from 0 to 100%. Well, you can manage your Mi Band 6 function and all the additional features from Mi Fit app. And Mi Fit app बहुत easy to use है, and there's a lot of customization in it. Like there's a 60 plus watch faces that Xiaomi has added in it, and आप अपना custom image डाल के भी watch face बना सकते हैं. There's a lot of old features that remain same, like music playback, find my mobile features, phone mute कर सकते हैं आप, do not disturb mode है, आप फ़ोन अनलॉक कर सकते हैं थ्रू योर मी बैंड 6, इनकमिंग कॉल का नोटिफिकेशन आएगा, एंड देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ अदर फीचर्स विच यू कैन लुक इनटू योर मी फिट ऐप. So guys, that's it from my side for first initial impression. Bigger AMOLED display, new fitness modes, heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, water resistance, better battery life, and magnetic charging. I think this sound convincing to me. And if you are looking for a smart band within 3500, I'll suggest you to easily go for it without any second doubt. So that's it from my side, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.